Hey guys, so this is going to be a video that's going to explain to you how to do a pamphlet for this class. Now, this will be the first time you do it, so I strongly advise you pay attention to the steps that are going to be followed. Now, all the instructions are laid out in the school work week, so you could read the instructions, but this video is here to show you how to do each and every part of it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our instructions. So we're going to go to our work week, and we're going to be on Wednesday, and as we scroll through Wednesday, the announcements and what we're going to cover in class, you're going to get to the bottom and you're going to see that there's actually two homework assignments. One of them is the pamphlet, which is we're working on. The other one is extra credit, is the study questions. There'll be a separate video for that. Now, first thing we're going to do is open up the instructions, which are right here. So when you open it, you'll see the instructions, everything you're going to do. And then you're also going to open up the industrialization pamphlet document. All right, this is where all your work is going to go. Now, the first thing you're going to do is make a copy of this document. And we've done this many times before, where you're going to label it first name, last name, your period, and then the industrialization pamphlet. Once you have made your copy, you will be summarizing Note 6, which is Urbanization and Reform, and Note 7. It is due next Wednesday, the 11th, so basically 1 week to work on this at 10 p.m. submitted through Schoology Resources. So let's go over the instructions themselves. All right, so here we go. The pamphlet. You will be creating a pamphlet summarizing urbanization and reform notes and politics notes, notes 6 and 7. Each page will have every one of these. 12 bullet points per page. These bullet points will be scattered through the several sections of the notes. No paragraphs here. It's going to be just bullet points, which are main ideas, and they should be written main ideas written in complete sentences and in your own words. All right, so these are main ideas. The bullet points are main ideas written in complete sentences in your own words. If you do parrot writing here, you are going to lose out. Okay, you're going to lose out on a lot of points. You would also include a picture for each page, and you're going to write a 25-word summary. It should be at the bottom. It should be double spaced, and you need to count the words and put them in parentheses. All right. Now again, you are summarizing notes 6 and 7, and you need to write this pamphlet like I've never really heard of this era. So it needs to be informative, like if it was a little book of information. Each page will have specific things that you need to do. So page 1 will be a creative title and a large picture. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Page 2 will cover the beginning of notes number 6. We're going to divide note 6 into page 2 and page 3. Opportunities in the cities and urban problems, the first two sections, will be on page 2. Reformers mobilize, competition, corruption in politics, and patronage and merit. The last three sections of note 6 will be on page 3. And then note 7 will be the populists and progressives on page 4. Again, due Wednesday the 11th, and it is worth 400 points. This is not an assignment to skip. All right, so we go the instructions. The first page says you want a large creative title and a large image. Now you're going to have to highlight this or delete this, but you're going to have to write your own creative title here. So you can highlight it and then start changing it. And if you want to change the color or the type of font, go right ahead. It just needs to be big. Now I'm going to go put this back so it stays at what it should be. You're also going to add a large picture, something big like this. So once again, you're going to have to click on it and you're going to hit delete to get rid of it. And then you're going to have to paste your picture here. All right, so I'm going to return and I'm going to leave the picture here so you can see the size that it should be, something big like that, right? So large creative title, large picture. That's it for page 1. All right, page 2 is the beginning of urbanization and reformer notes, notes number 6. And you're going to do opportunities in the cities and urban problems. And like I said, the instructions say that you need to do 12 bullet points per page. So how will you divide 12 bullet points? Opportunities in the cities will get 4, urban problems will get 8. You must highlight 1 per section as the most important. So these 4 are written in a complete sentence, all in your own words. It's a main, each one of these is a main idea, and then you highlight it as this is the most important. Then you're going to write 8 main ideas in your own words in complete sentences, and then you're going to highlight 1 here. So 1 here and 1 here. Then you're going to add an image, a smaller image, not as big as the first page, right? Something about that size. And again, you're going to, I put this in just to show you the size. You're going to have to get rid of it. So you're going to click on it and you're going to hit delete. Now, how do you add an image there? Super simple, right? You're going to open up Google. you're going to go to images, and let's say you're going to put sanitation problems. Okay, you put that on, and you see all these pictures. Oh, this very first one, that looks like a horrible sanitation issue. And then you're going to go over here, and you're going to right click it, and you're going to hit copy image. And then you're going to take it back to your assignment. You're going to click here, and you're going to go Control V to paste it. Now it's a little big, so you're going to have to click on it, and then you're going to have to slide it, hold the button, and slide it back to make it about that size. That's about right. All right, and there's your image. Then you're going to write a 25-word summary. And then once you write the 25-word summary in double space, you're going to tell me how many words. So you're just going to highlight the words counted here, and then you're going to hit like 26. Right? There's 26 in my summary, or there's 24. And then so the summary would be written, and this will be right after that with the parentheses. Right? So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to leave it the way it is. And I'm also going to get rid of the picture and go back to the one that was there. Right? So every page will be the same. 12 bullet points. In every section, you'll highlight one, the most important one. You'll have an image like this, and then you'll write a 25-word summary and the words at the bottom. So next page is page 3. You see the bottom says page 3, notes, urbanization and reform. And you're going to have 3 sections here: reformers mobilize, corruption in politics, patronage and merit. And you're going to write 6 bullet points, 4 bullet points, and 2 bullet points, which equals again 12 bullet points. Main ideas for each one, full sentences in your own words. Once again, you're going to copy and paste an image here, like I showed you on the previous page, 25-word summary, and then you're going to put the words. You're going to delete this word counted words here, and then you're going to put how many words are actually in your summary. And then for the last page, page 4, note 7 on politics, you're going to write for the popular section and the progressive section 6 bullet points, 1 for each one as a highlighted one, and then an image, copy and paste it here, and again, 25-word summary, right? So overall, you're going to have 12 bullet points here, 12 bullet points here, and 12 bullet points here. That's 36 bullet points. You're going to have one large image, one small image, one small image, one small image. So that's 4 images altogether. And you're going to have a 25-word summary there, a 25-word summary there, and then a 25-word summary there. 3 25-word summaries. That's why this is worth 400 points. All right, this is due by Wednesday. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.